Now then, they aren't my ducks. Just on a little jolly, and been told about this place. So let's go take a look, shall we? Get me torch on. Let's go take a look. An old air raid shelter, guys. Very echoey air raid shelter. Oh, there we go. Sadly, not a very big one. Sadly not a very big one, but hey, it's worth an explore. Everything's worth an explore, guys. Everything's worth an explore. Yeah, shame it's not bigger, but then I have got my bike with me, so if it had been a big one, I'm not sure as I'd have been doing it today. I want to like leave my bike. Yeah. There you go, guys. Little explore for you. Let's just see what it. There you go. There's the other side of it. I've never known about this place. Fine to. That's the advantage of talking to the locals. You always get some good information. And from talking to another old boy, after I found out about this place, I've discovered another air raid shelter. But unfortunately it's going to be very, very difficult to get in. I've already scoped it. There's a high security fence to combat, which is not the most difficult bit, but then there's 2 stages of metal to get through, so that's going to be a 2 to 3 man job to go in and have a look at that and see if there's any way around it to get in. But apparently that one is massive, so if I can get in that, I'm going to get in that, believe you me guys. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that little one. If you did, please drop a like. It's very important. It gives us smaller channels especially a bit of encouragement. And please subscribe. There's a very high percentage of people who watch my videos who aren't even subscribed. Just drop this thumb over that subscribe button, mate. Please. I need your subscriptions. I need your support. I need your support. I need to put food on the table for our Gert. No, but if you wouldn't mind, please subscribe. And if you do, press that notifications bell. And that'll be that. Stay safe. Stay sane. Much love. Bye.